नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एनकावंटर कार्यावळीन हालीं ते पारां पळयलें जाल्यार इंडिया एलायन्सा मदीं कितें तरी वायटपण चल्लां अशें दिसता आनी जालें अशें की आम आदमी पक्षाचे फुडारी दिल्ली गेले आनी ते दिल्ली वचून काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या वरिश्ठ फुडाऱ्यांक मेळ्ळे आनी तेजे उपरांत तांणी येवन हांगा डिस्क्लोजूय केलें की आमी तांकां मेळिल्ले आसा आनी म्हटलें की हांगा जें चलता तें तांकां खबर ना. आतां ह्या विशयाचेर उलोवपा खातीर आमी खास आपयल्ले आसा बाणावलेचे आमदार वेन्झी विएगस. कॅप्टन वेन्झी विएगस इज आम आदमी पार्टी MLA, सांगपाची गरज ना. आतां कितले दीस जाले इलेक्शन जाल्लें आसा. ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉप्युलर फेस रायट नाव. आय कॅन से दॅट यू आर द मोस्ट पॉप्युलर फेस
इफ यू से सो.
बरें, तुमी तुमच्या हांकां मेळटाच फायन वचून लिडरांक दिल्ली समजूं शकता. तुमी वचून थंय चाडयो करपाक गेल्ल्या भशेन कित्याक वता तर?
रुपेश बाब, फर्स्टली थँक यू फॉर हॅविंग मी हियर. आणि आय थिंक चाडयो करपाक वॉज अ रॉंग टर्मिनॉलॉजी.
What do you call it?
सी आय वूड से वी हॅड गॉन टू दिल्ली बिकॉज ऑफ द जॉब स्कॅम. आनी जो तुमी चोयलो जो आम एक्सपोज केलो तो थिंगसोन ड्युरींग दीस प्रोसेस somebody from the Congress requested us that we should also meet their higher ups, the second line and the third line, and so that meeting happened. It was not a planned meeting. Ani to add on, when we went there, the person who told us to take a meeting and arrange the meeting from Goa was also on a video call for the meeting. So चाडयो सांगपाचे हेच ना न्ही. So हिंदू चाडयो सांगपाचे they only arranged so that तेमचे मदें हांगा जें गोंयांत जें कोण ना तें सांगचें आनी एक्सप्लेन करचें. कित्याक दिल्ली जाला, हरियाणा जाला, एवरी स्टेट इज डिफरंट एंड इट इज नॉट दॅट वी वरी कोणा नाका की एकठांय जावन जोरी तरी गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म जाता. हू डजंट वॉन्ट इट? एवरीबडी वूड वॉन्ट, ऑल वूड वॉन्ट. Yuri would want. Ask Yuri. We have been speaking on several occasions every time that alliance has to be there. Being the LOP and I being leader of the party in the assembly, we speak on these lines. So somebody from their side only told us, why don't you all also speak out and why don't you all do it, make it
That
happen.
somebody is whose buddy first of all?
चोय तो बडी सगळ्यांचोच न्हू. बडी आमचोय आनी तामचोय, ताका लागून तो बडी. बट if people from their own party also wants an alliance, what is wrong in that? आनी गोंयकारांक आज alliance जाय. आज जोरी तरी आमी सगळे 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी बसले, RG बसले, गोवा फॉरवर्ड बसले, काँग्रेस बसले. कोण 21 सीट्स काडटलो आनी कोण गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करतलो? मागीर फायनली एकमुखागे तांकां घेवन गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करपाचो. पयलो जोरी तरी
इलेक्शनाक
अडेज वर्स आसतना
you are speaking as if now you have to decide on seat sharing immediately. These people are creating problem म्हणून थंय अशें पडटा म्हणून
ना. जोरी तरी एकठांय रावन डिसिजन मेकींग प्लॅनिंग जायना जाल्यार ऑक्टोबर 2025 ZP इलेक्शन आहा. सो दॅट इज गोइंग टू सेट द बॉल रोलिंग. इन ऑर्डर टू सेट द बॉल रोलिंग यू हॅव टू स्टार्ट एंड द प्रोसेस हॅज स्टार्टेड. एंड एज अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वी हॅव शोन आवर कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ कॉन्टेस्टिंग ऑल ओवर गोवा. सो दॅट स्टेज देर. वी आर नाव हॅविंग इलेक्शन्स इन दिल्ली. It's a process. Once those elections are done, our focus will shift here to Goa. We'll start working in Goa. So, poil जायल तें चोयलां आमी. Wiser is the one who learns to the mistakes of the past. So we have seen in the past कितें जाता 40 जाण सगळे जर तरी झगडले जाल्यार it becomes a mess. And finally, that mess has led to job scams, has led to today's land scams, today's all kind of various scams जी मारगाया has led to us oppositions fighting amongst us and giving the BJP a chance to govern from 2022 to 2027.
So fine, these things have been spoken about. पण जेन्ना तुम्ही दिल्ली वता आणि somebody helps you to go to fix an appointment with those guys, हांगा जेन्ना सगळे एवेन्यूज सोंपता तेन्नाच तुम्ही दिल्ली वचपाक जाय. हांगा तुम्ही डेट ऑल्सो मिन्स की हांगा अमित पाटकाराक एलायन्स नाका, युरीक एलायन्स नाका, एल्टनाक एलायन्स नाका, कालुसाक एलायन्स नाका, कोणाकूच एलायन्स नाका.
Where MLAs are concerned, we have seen that everybody wants an alliance because we have spoken openly. Everybody has spoken openly.
Okay.
Organization also in the last whenever we have met, everybody on the prima facie has said that yes, an alliance is the requirement.
So कोणाक नाका म्हणटा तुम्ही?
But the way, the behavior you see on ground, you see that everybody says we want to develop all constituencies. Yes, you want to develop all constituencies. But what is the protocol to develop? Let us first do that. Even we would want to develop. Now, how much we develop and how much you develop, and what is the vote share of your development and our development is the key question.
No, फाल्या फॉर एक्झाम्पल बाणावले काँग्रेस स्ट्रॉंग जाली, ओके, दे हॅव सायजेबल वोट्स. फाल्यां अलायन्स जाल्यार तुका टिकेट मेळ्ळी, दोज वोट्स विल नॅचरली कम टू यू.
No. Why are we leaving all the BJP constituencies and focusing only on the alliance constituencies to strengthen the base of each party? I think this is a wrong protocol.
This is because what they have explained to us की बाणावले already has a Congress base. हेच्या पयलीं काँग्रेसचे MLAs निवडून आयिल्ले आसा. So we are concentrating on those, they are like low hanging fruits we can plug easily.
Trying to understand, are we here today to focus on Benaulim? Then let us fight Benaulim with all parties. Let us fight Velim with all parties, and rest 38 constituencies alliance करूया. तशें करूया. But let us put that proposal on the table. जोरी तोरी कोणाक दिसता की भाणाले आनी वेलिंग आमकां भंय दिसता म्हूण, जाल्यार let us fight. Let Congress put candidate in Benaulim and Velim. We will fight that. But rest 38 constituencies पूण उलोवया मरे.
So Banawale, you are ready to take Congress head on?
We are ready to take head on, and we are ready to take head on in all constituencies. But the result of taking head on in all constituencies we have seen in the last 2 elections. हे जर तर परत head on अशेंच करून जाय जाल्यार the result is seen.
So you mean to say काँग्रेसान आपले बेस थंय थंय करपाची न्ही जंय जंय आम आदमी पार्टी आसा? It is as simple as that.
It was well discussed. LOP आम बसून उलयल्ले, आनी वी ऑलवेज टॉक. 7 जे आम ऑपोजिशन आहा, 7 ऑपोजिशनागे जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज आहाय त्यो कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज रिटेन जावपा जायो. Those candidates will retain their seats. Those parties will retain their tickets over there. Rest other places we have to sit and discuss and how we want to go ahead with yes, your volunteer based strategy. तुगे कितू फोर्स आहा, मुगे कितू फोर्स आहा, define करून जाता.
So do you also fear कि Benaulim would be a point, a trigger because of which alliance might not happen in 2027?
See, the problem is not about triggering. The problem is today I come from a seafarer background. I was never a sarpanch. I was never a punch. I came into politics by seeing at Arvind Kejriwal's style of governance, which is basic necessities. Water, electricity, security for women, all these are the basic necessities. And your basic necessities आमक मेळ नाय त्यो चोयना. एक मनीस basic necessities दित म्हूण सांगून जिको जाता election. हे पळोवन हांवूय पितो सरलो. And today if you see what I am working in my constituency, I am working on the basic things. We have put our electricity poles in place, the wirings in place, the roads are getting in place. We are making sure the health infrastructure is place. Basic वस्तू कित्याक लोकां आनी कांय नाका. लोकां जाय basic वस्तू. तुगेले 108 कॉल केले म्हणटरी 40 मिनटान 108 येता. There was a suicide yesterday in Benaulim and it took 40 minutes. 40 minutes एक suicide जालें तेन्ना 108. So these are the basic lifelines of a common man. आनी ह्योच lifelines जरी तरी आमकां मेळना जाल्यार what is the point? हें चेंज करपाक आमी भितर सरले आनी जें चेंज करपाक भितर सरले तें हांव चेंज करता बाणावल्यान. Those are the things that I am attempting to make a change. आनी हो तो बदल म्हणटाले ते and you can see it. I am not doing anything.
So my question remains की बाणावले खातीर alliance जावपा ना.
बाणावले खातीर न्हू, गोंयच खातीर alliance जावपा जाय.
पुणून बाणावले खातीर जावचें ना.
हें आतां तेमी सांगपा जाय.
जर चल्ला ते पळयत जाल्यार सद्या एवरीथिंग बॉयल्स डावन टू एपिसेंटर म्हणटा ते बाणावले जाल्ले आसा.
जाल्यार 2 constituencies सोडया नाजाल्यार एकूच सोडया चल. Let's leave. हय आनी you contest there and then 39 will do alliance, no? But let's discuss that. You cannot say last moment. You cannot say that.
Banaulim can have friendly fight.
Can have friendly fight. And let's other constituencies, let us divide the constituencies. But something you have to speak. You have to speak something because at the end of the day, it is not about Venzi. It is about the picture of Goa today. आम गोंय जर साल्वा करपा जाय जाल्यार बेनावलीम कोणा पडटेक पण दिया लोकांक कोणा जाय दिवपाक. Let them choose. And then Goa has got a unity. And that one seat of Benaulim will be part of that unity. See, everything is possible. At the end of the day, it is not rocket science. We are all known to each other. Everybody is a friend somewhere or the other. Someone is a 2-3-year-old friend, someone is a 30-year-old friend. At the end of the day, all when it comes to political battle, we talk about politics and we get our things organized in the
दिल्ली तुमचे कितें उलोवणे जाले तूं फक्त म्हटलें की दिल्ली डजंट नो तांकां खबर ना की हे कितें करता तें तांकां पावना. So
no, we have expressed everything was expressed and how Goa wants and the comparison between Delhi and Goa was explained. which was also agreed by the representatives of the Congress who were there for the meeting. They were in sync with what we are speaking. They were in sync that Delhi is different, Goa is different, it's a union territory, this is a state, there's a different politics over there, there's a different politics over there. They have agreed to that. Now, the question is, we have spoken, we have kept things on the table so that everybody is aware.
कितें सांगलें कितें?
हेच सांगलें की जे आमगेलें जिल्ला इलेक्शन जालां, जे आमगेलें लोकसभेचें इलेक्शन जालां, जो आमकां रिजल्ट मेळ्ळा, जो वातावरण तयार जाल्लो, when we get a fresh candidate for the south from nowhere of the BJP, and if she can pull out so many votes with a 14,000 margin, then you see we have to be more stronger if we want to get the other seats. नाजाल्यार ते मुखार वयता it could get difficult.
So messenger of जी काँग्रेस आसा, AICC ची इन्चार्ज आसता, the one who is a bridge between Goa and Delhi, ती अंजली निंबाळकर, डॉक्टर अंजली निंबाळकर हांगा आयिल्ली आनी बाणावले आयिल्ली. So that means Congress knows the Anjali Nimbalkar hanga dhadle upran where she goes, what she does, she must be reporting back there to Delhi.
Somewhere this is a problem with the trust. No, whenever we are talking of an alliance, you are leaving BJP constituencies and you are coming in a constituency where your alliance partner is there, and that too you are coming from your main representative is coming and doing a meeting there, declaring that you will contest without talking to the alliance partner. So somewhere something is wrong.
ते सांगले तुम्ही.
That they have seen, no, ते आम सांगपाक गरज ना. That is already on record.
Exactly.
We spoke about what Goans want. We spoke about how the Goan politics is going to work. Goan politics no longer on perception. Goans are looking for good faces. People do not want someone who will jump from one party to another. And if we do not fight unitedly, the pressure of jumping from one party to another will never remain. आम unitedly जोरी तोरी मुखार गेले जाल्यार new faces कोणूय घालूं तो उडी मारपाना, तो बीजेपी
वचपाना. So you didn't name anyone. कोणा नाव घेवना तुम्ही?
नावां घेतलेली, but those names we cannot disclose here. We have spoken some names.
नाव घेतली ती नॅचरली आता कळपा लागले आमकां. MLA ची के नाव घेवचो ना. You said MLAs are in sync with you, Congress MLA.
Even the party
so someone
leadership,
from organization must be.
No. See, if you say the president has already, he was kind enough to announce that the ZP seat, the Benaulim ZP seat was for an alliance. He was kind enough for that. So that means based on the Lok Sabha elections, they had also realized that alliance
so
is the
नाव
leader.
कोणाची घेतली जाले सोपले सगळे काँग्रेसीचे. President represents GPCC.
There is the whole setup.
Yuri represents this one. आता now someone down the line बाकीचे जे आसा पळय न्ही, number 2 kind of people in their organization. It doesn't matter much.
No, it doesn't matter for anyone, because the moment when alliance is formed, there is nobody else beyond that. People are not going to vote for anybody, how powerful you might be as an individual. People's mindset and the trust today. लोकांक एक भंय आहा की आपण एक इंडिविज्युअला वोट मारलो जाल्यार आयचो जो सरकार आहा बीजेपी तो आपल्या हुंय तरी त्रास करतलो. अलायन्स आयले, सगळे बराबर आयले जाल्यार आपण ओपन येऊन
This point you have been saying after every question. Your answer for every question is this, but I want a specific answer. One is that you who broke the trust, because तांचेकडे तू गेलो, meeting झाली, fine. You come here and then you announce की आम्ही meeting केली, and fallout of meeting was that ki they don't know what is happening here.
No, but this is not breaking of trust.
Of course.
I still did not say that having a meeting in Benaulim is a breaking of trust. I still did not say that you announcing a candidate in Benaulim is a breaking of trust. I went further and said, let's contest in Benaulim friendly and let's look at Goa in order to protect Goa and Goans' interest at large. So when I am covered up all this in a very broad manner, where is the question of me breaking the trust by going over there? The trust, if trust has to be broken...
Going over there is not breaking of trust. But revealing the details of the meeting or even gist of the meeting in a video.
I'm sure that the person who has arranged the meeting for us, who is part of the Goa Congress, who was part of the video conference during the meeting, he definitely will not keep it as a secret. He'll definitely have his team to take that decision. So that means most of the people are knowing. Now it's your duty as a media to find out now who is that. Because we cannot disclose it to you. तुम्ही find out करचे कोण तो आणि ताकडे माशे बोलायचे तागेले टीमी कडे बोलायचे कोण.
You started a trigger actually.
No, it's not a trigger. It's a fact. No, see, there is nothing as a trigger. जे झाला. Definitely there will be photographs also taken. No, it is not that it is a hidden secret. It's just a matter of whenever there is a time and the right time.
Only that person's photograph won't be there because he was on video call.
ना
असो बी मोबायल धरून ताजे फोटो बिटो
आजकाल जातात तशें मोबायलाचे फोटो चोयले आमी.
Okay, one okay, that is different. One issue, one question which I have to ask you is, तुम्ही जेन्ना alliance म्हणटा पळय, then Delhi you are going alone. So here the questions are asked ki Aam Aadmi Party is very selective when it comes to their Delhi. They are very possessive about their Delhi thing. They don't want anyone to come in their way or be a partner with whatever they are doing.
Rupesh, what I understand about politics in a very short time is Delhi is totally different. I have been involved in politics for the last 10 years now. जेन्ना Delhi journey start केल्ली तेन्ना आमी थिंगा MLAs आमगे निवडून आयिल्ले, but municipality was never with us. Municipality was not coming. People voted for Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, legislators, but municipality they were not voting. MP they were not voting. काम करून दाखयलें, टायम गेलो, कन्विन्स करपा तांकां की एज अ युनियन टेरिटरी हाव आर द फंडिंग्स गेटिंग अलॉटेड. आतां मुन्सिपालिटी आयली, सो वी गॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ दॅट मुन्सिपालिटी वीच इज देर. आतां MP येना, सो इट इज टेकिंग टायम. इट्स अ युनियन टेरिटरी. आमकां हिंगा तें एक्सप्लेन करपाक आनी तें समजपाना, बिकॉज टील यू डोंट वेअर दॅट हेड यू वील नॉट अंडरस्टँड द फंक्शनींग ऑफ अ युनियन टेरिटरी. LG गे फंक्शनींग वी वील नॉट अंडरस्टँड. सो तें गोईंग डीप इन टू दॅट will not able to solve the purpose, because that elections, that entire politics is different, and we have to look at every state if we have to form the government. जरी तर हे आज सरकार आमकां घडोवपा जाय, हे सरकार जे आज लँड ग्रॅबिंग करता, हे सरकार जे आज जॉब स्कॅम करता, ही जी म्हारगाय जाल्ली आनी सगळे भाशेचे स्कॅम्स करता आज हे सरकाराक, इज ओन्ली बिकॉज वी गेव देम एन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. आमी फुटले आनी लोकांगे जो ट्रस्ट आशिल्लो, ते जे ट्रस्ट आशिल्ले ते उडी मारून गेले, आनी हे परत उडी मारना जावपाक एक पार्टीक जरी तर सगळो वोट दिलो इंडिविज्युअल पार्टीक, जाल्यार ते परत मायग्रेट जावपाचे, उडी मारपाचे चान्स आसा. सो कंबायनली जर एलायन्सा वोट दिलो जाल्यार एलायन्साक प्रेशर आसतलो.
Delhiचे will ask someone from Aam Aadmi Party Delhi, if they come here, we'll ask them, because आमकां to understand that politics is very difficult. But job scam आसा पळय न्ही, one I have to ask you a very frank question. During your tenure of 2.5 years, तुज्या बाणावलेच्या कोणाकूच गव्हर्मेंट जॉब मेळूना?
सी देर इज सर्टन थिंग्स विथ दीस गव्हर्मेंट ना म्हूण ते जॉब्स आहा म्हूण आमकांय सांगनाय. दे डोंट इवन कम अप एंड से 2000 जॉब आसा एलिजिबल बाणावलेचे, एक 50 जण कोणा आमी घेतले एलिजिबल विथआउट रेफरन्स. 50 पर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. दोतोर घेवपा जाय, समज 2000 दोतोर घेवपा जाय एज एन एग्जाम्पल, या 2000 मेडिकल स्टाफ घेवपाचो, जाल्यार 50 पर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एलिजिबल. सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एलिजिबल कॅन्डिडेट्स आहा फॉर एवरी पोस्ट. LDC 2000 काढले जाल्यार एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी 50 दिवपाचे, आनी थिंगा वचोन इंटरव्यू करून एलिजिबल आहाय तेंक घेवपाचे. बट अशें जायना. सो आय डोंट.
माय व्हेरी फ्रँक क्वेश्चन इज दॅट बाणावलेच्या कोणाकूच सिन्स द टायम आम आदमी पार्टी हॅज गॉट इलेक्टेड एकट्याकूय गव्हर्मेंट जॉब मेळूना.
I will not know the facts because I do not have the facts with me. Nobody has given me the facts as an MLA.
तुजे कडेन येना लोक जॉबा खातीर?
म्हजे कडेन लोक येता, म्हजे कडेन लोक येता, तेका जॉब दिवपा हांव केन्ना पावलो ना गव्हर्मेंट जॉब. आतां बाय ऑटोमॅटिकली बाय इट सेल्फ थ्रू द सिस्टम कोणाकूय मेळ्ळो जाल्यार, आनी हुंचे आमदारा बरें वचोन, आनी BJP हुंय कार्यकर्ता बरें वचोन, आनी कोणाकूय पयशे दिवन, जे भाशेन आतां पयर एक व्हिडिओ आउट जाल्लो कुर्तोरीचो, दॅट पर्सन दे से ही इज फ्रॉम बेनावलीम. He has given that 25 lakh rupees.
The third person is speaking about something. आमी कन्वर्सेशन पळयल्लें आसा. That person says, हांवें फॉर एग्जाम्पल आय कॅन ऑलवेज टेल समवन हांवें वेन्झीक 25 लाख रुपया दिले जॉबा खातीर, म्हाजें काम जावना. सो दॅट डजंट मेक यू responsible for job scam.
No, the person who is speaking the dialogue is between the person who paid the money. The boy who paid the money is speaking to probably his uncle or a friend or somebody, and that is the conversation, and he's told him that no.
One is that those private conversations you are making public, that is also
with the consent of
non-ethical.
With the consent of the person who has spoken.
With the consent of the person who has given money.
Not the person who has given the money. The communication happened between two, right?
Yeah, the second. Both had consented.
Both no. One has consented. Definitely, one has consented. So it's a communication, right?
So it's obviously the second one has not consented.
And see, that video is not come by a official delivery to us. No, it is out in circulated somewhere, and we have found that video.
It's in public domain.
It's in public domain. It's circulated. So
but the kinds of that you never followed it up.
No, it is going to get followed up because there are more people who are coming up. There are more people who are coming up. There is one boy from Kana Benawlin who has given money. So people are getting worried because Uloiche Uloishnu open whether that money will be coming back after speaking, or should we keep quiet and just, you know, let the MLA and let the political parties speak, and then we will put the pressure and they could get the money. See, at the end of the day, people need the money back. No, that assurance is not happening from the government side. Money has to come back. पयतून येना जाल्यार कित करतलो तूं, उलय न्हू.
पळय टोपरी झबली माणे सगळे हाडल्यात. हां, हे तांदूळ सामके पौश्टीक, भुरग्याक बरे. आणि हे मुगो तेल कालूच घेवन आयला दुकानांतल्यान.
मम्मा, तू इतल्या पयसल्यान हें घेवन येयला?
मागीर म्हाका तुमची काळजी ना तर? राव गो, हांव तुका कितें तरी खावपाक करता.
आगे
पळय गो. शी, पाड पडू हांचे. कसलो सावार आयला देव जाणा. कितले आशेन हाडिल्ले हांवें सगळे.
मम्मा, तू चड चिंतू नाका. राव, हे पळय सगळ्यान शुद्ध पंचामृत, जे दिता शुद्धता आणि पौष्टिकतेची हमी. आणि त्याच वांगडा ही वेगवेगळी शुद्ध तेलां आणि बरेच प्रोडक्ट्स.
अशें
जशी आवयची माया जायना कमी, पंचामृता दिता शुद्धतेची हमी. सुपर एक्स्ट्रा लॉंग बासमती रायस, पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड चक्की फ्रेश आटा, प्रीमियम लॉन्ग क्वालिटी बासमती राइस, हिमालयन पिंक सॉल्ट, variety of cold press oils, Panchamruta.
No, but there is one thing, Venzi, is that, you know, I'm playing a role of devil's advocate म्हटल्या जाता, because नाल्या गोदी media, again we are trying to make it clear, we are talking in support of CM right now, because I want to ask you a question. Ki CM always says that I was the person who initiated the inquiry. CM has, or government has never gone into denial mode when it comes to Crash for Jobs. They say yes, this has happened, so that is why we are investigating. Are you not appreciating that gesture at least?
No, you are investigating with whom? Who is your investigating body? घरात चोरी जाता आणि तू घरातल्या मनशाक सांगता इन्व्हेस्टिगेट कर म्हणून. कोणा? Who is your investigating body? Your own people from the state. That is the question no here. People want to know. घरात जर चोर जाता तू काकाकू सांगता, काकीकूय सांगता, घरातली मनशां सांगता, फॅमिली मेंबराकू सांगता. So why is CBI not been given these cases? Why is this not going to a higher authority? Why is this not happening? That is the whole point. You are accepting हे जाला, you took that initiative. That is all सगळी बरी गजाल. ते एक दोन गजाली जाल्ले जाल्यार appreciate करपा जाता. But this is not about one or two. Now this is a series of events that is happening on a daily basis. And in this whole process, the land scam जे आशिल्ले 39A चे जी conversion जाता, that entire is gone. आयज दिसाक तूं विचारू हुंच मिनिस्टर दोंगर कातरता, कोण खबर आहा, कोण फॉलो अप करता ना. Because everybody's focus is gone on the job scam. So एक scam आयलो, दुसरो scam धांपलो. 39A चे रॅम्पट नाव गॅझेट काडीत आसा, जमीन कन्वर्ट करपाक घालीत आसा. रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर कितें डिस्कस केल्लें की वॉट हॅज टू बी डिवेलप्ड. टुडे एज एन MLA, आय डोंट नो वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन माय ओन विलेज, आय डोंट नो वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन माय ओन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, बिकॉज आय एम नॉट पार्ट. म्हाका पार्टी ना थिंगा.
स्कॅम आफ्टर स्कॅम्स, यू से
स्कॅम ऑफ द स्कॅम्स. आज जमीन कन्वर्ट जात मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन, आय एम नॉट बीन टोल्ड, बिकॉज सिस्टमूच ना.
तुझे जॉब कॅश फॉर जॉब तुझे मनीस ना, नन फ्रॉम योर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी.
None from our constituency. Yes, I have told you 1 or 2 boys have paid money to the Kurtori in that video. What you see?
This link, but not on the,
Besides
those
that,
who
I
are
have not-
already arrested. Tanchekade kains.
Nothing has come out. People
Okay,
do not want to speak
now
out.
we'll ask you last 2 questions. So before that, I just want to, you know, appeal to people की तुम्ही आता म्हणसर जर व्हिडिओ पळयल्लो आसा and इंटरव्यू पळयल्लो आसा, please subscribe to YouTube channel. Venzi was also supporting us since the time we started. We want more subscribers. So, because in the later stage, I want to ask something to Venzi, which he has been accused of doing. That will come at the last. But before that, GTDC चे pay parking करपा लागला. People are upset. They are saying कि this is a government property. How do you even start charging us? Because you don't. First of all, you don't have enough parking in Benaulim. ते mess जाता म्हणून तुम्ही a new parking केले. थंय तुम्ही पैसे घालपाक लागले, काडपाक लागले लोकांचे.
सो सरकार न्हू चोरून उठलो हा. 2022 जेन्ना आमी जिखोन आयले, इमिजिएटली ऑगस्ट सप्टेंबरा सरकारान टेंडर काडले. GTDCन सगळे तेंगे GTDC प्रॉपर्टीज एंड रेजिडेन्सीज सगळे तेमी टेंडरां काडले विकपाक. आनी टेंडर काडून फटाफट उरलो. आमी असेंब्ली उलयले, सगळे उलयले. आमकां आन्सर मेळ्ळो कितें, इट इज अ टेंडर प्रोसेस, बट द टेंडर इज बीन डिझायन्ड so that no normal Goan can even go for that tender. It has been designed in such a way that already pre-planning जाल्लें आहा and it is focusing on somebody who is going to bid it. So अशें करून आतां आमगे कोलवा रेजिडेंसी गेली, बाणाले पार्किंग गेलें. आतां पार्किंग ते आदले MLAन जेन्ना हाडलें तें पार्किंग, इट वॉज बॉट फॉर अ पर्टिक्युलर रिजन. आय हर्ड हिम सेईंग. सो देर इज अ पास्ट हिस्ट्री. वाय वॉज दॅट लँड एक्वायर्ड? जे वस्त एक पर्पजा लागून एक्वायर केल्ली ती तुज्यान टेंडर करपा जाता वो जायना. दीस वील बी द टॉपिक टू बी डिस्कस्ड इन द असेंब्ली ऑल्सो. आतां टेंडर जालो 2022 जाली आहे टेंडर ऑल ओवर गोवा, गेली सगळी जमीन गेली, सगळें गेलें. बट लोकलां जें थिंग आहा, आतां दीस पर्टिक्युलर प्रॉपर्टी GTDC बेनावलीम इज गॉन टू अ गोवन ओनली. सो ते जरी तरी आतां ते डेव्हलप करतले, थिंगा हॉटेल काडले, पार्किंग करतले. पार्किंग शूड बी केप्ट फ्री फॉर लोकल्स. इनफॅक्ट शूड बी केप्ट फ्री. Who is coming for the beach should use that parking. You keep security, you maintain it, keep it clean.
But
it
that
is not
is,
going to get
तुम्ही
full.
आता ना, are you going to agitate? Are you going to protest? Are you going to speak? What next about parking?
Good thing is that he's a Goan, so we will approach him and we will tell him these are our terms. Access to the beach should be free. Parking for everybody, locals, because there is no parking at the beach. Because at the end of the day, he is also going to use it for parking only. What I understand, that is given for parking for his hotel. If he's going to come up with a new hotel, what we understand, that parking for that new hotel which is going to come up. So since the hotel is going to use the parking, local may also use the parking, because your hotel is not going to be of 1,000 rooms having 1,000 cars, no, that much space can. So locals can also use. Why to create a conflict? That is one part. But saying that we are not in favor of the government giving these GTDC properties like this, because they were acquired for a purpose. And in the assembly we have stressed on this, especially the Kolwa residency, that entire prime area आमगे लोकल्सां चलोवपा दिवपा जाताली. We could have done so much of PPP project कूत म्हणटाय, लोकल्सांक घेवन PPP करपा जातालें न्ही. And there are boys who have got the money to invest. आमगे गोंयकार भुरगे आहाय,
Those who can invest. Okay, ताजेर एक separate, actually we can have a separate interview itself, कारण हाजेर गेल्यार लेटूय जातलो, because you are running short of time. एक video we are playing right now, and that video you can see, and that accuses you of supporting illegal.
स्क्रॅप यार्ड आंदा इलिगल स्क्रॅप यार्ड काय नोसी ना कोणाली दोंदो आंदा ओपनली हिंगा स्क्रॅप यार्डा दोंदो चलता इलिगल पंचायत बी काय नोसी ना हो आंता मटेरियल घेवन हुंयता इथे थिंग बोल्डर घान थिंग लँड फिलिंग केला. I just want to bring this to the awareness of everyone. Please come and see. All this material is getting dumped on the backside of River Sal. हे आंदा बाणाले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हो मिनी घाटकोपर दिसोता. There are no licenses, no NOCs from the panchayat. आता तुम्ही जर तर बाब तुम्ही जर तर कॅमेरा मालो रिवर्स सालाम गेले हिंगा माश मुखार MLAन आनी मडगांवचो MLAन एक ओत घेयल्लो असलो केसो ओत तो नका दोगांयनी घेयलो तो तेमगेलो ओत लोकांक गोंयांत सगळें खबर आहा. आयज हांको देवान कोडोन दिला आमकां. हे मनशाक हो MLA कितें आसा म्हणटा फ्रॉम 26 नोव्हेंबर नाव इट इज बीन 11 days 11 दीस अजून MLA किंग येवपा टायम मेळना. रिवर्स सालाचे तुवें हें गेल्लें मरे ओत गेल्लो मरे कितें जालो तो ओताच्यो लोकांक कितू फटयता तूं. सोशल मिडिया ड्रामा बंद कर मातशें मागता तुका हांव. मातशें हिंग यो आमदार तूं कितें जावं आमदार तूं आमगेलो बाणालेचो. हांव रेस्पेदान तुकोडे मागता बाणालेचे आमदारा कडेन मातशें हिंगा यो. तुगेलो PA जो आहा तेगे कार्यक्रमचो कितें करता चलो तें वायट तूं न्हू. दिस इज कंप्लिटली रॉंग. इट वील डिस्ट्रॉय रिवर साल, डिस्ट्रॉय द नेचर. इफ वी हॅव टू प्रोटेक्ट इट लेट्स फायट इट युनायटेडली टुगेदर. एश कोन पीक आनी चूज कोनाक तूं सँड ड्यून एक बाणाल काबार केलाय तुवें सगळे आनी रिवर साला हाटी लागला तूं. तूं चोय सायबा हें सगळें चोय कितें तो आनी हिंगा कितले कामदार काम कोताय हे कामदार हुंयचे टेनन्सी एक्टाचे एमी चेक केलो हा कोण ते कामदार बी हें चेक करपा जाय सो आय हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड this also सरपंच शी इज ऑलरेडी put in a letter to the deputy collector ते सोमना भितर MLA जोर तर हिंग पांय दोना न्हू आमी हिंगा मोर्चा काडले आय हॅव स्पोकन टू ऑल द फार्मर्स आर अपसेट कित्याक शेतकारांक येवन देखून मरे तेंचो ओत घेयल्लो रिवर सालास प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो आनी हेंच चलता आयज आमगे बाणावले गांवांत इट्स व्हेरी सॅड आय रिक्वेस्ट एवरी वन अक्रॉस गोवा to please come and have a look what's happening in Benalim constituency and let us unitedly fight to protect River Sal because it is our lifeline, especially the people of Salset. I'm requesting you all, come out and see what's happening with River Sal because tomorrow if River Sal, which is dying a slow death, if it goes ahead, all this destruction goes ahead for our future generations, we won't have anything left more.
So you must be knowing this person, you must be knowing Warren Alema. He has been, releasing these videos which accuses you of being involved, of supporting one of your supporter in this illegal activity.
See, Rupesh, what I look at it is like this. गोंयकार भुरगो आज गोंय रावन धंदो त्रास काडून काम करता तितून समज कोणाकूय दिसता कितेंय रॉंग अशें आहा जाल्यार मुज कोंतान यू शूड अप्रोच tell him, guide him because panchayat asa sogle asa. There is all kind of departments who give permission. There are departments who don't give permission. You have to guide him, tell him to correct it. Only when we do this, we will retain our Goans to do local businesses over here. And the business what you have seen on the video, if you don't like the pictures, you can correct and guide. So both third burgya who are into this waste management system, it is called as material recovery. Distribution and segregation module whether it is approved not approved but it has been running for last 25 years period जेन्ना एक भुरगो धंदो करता जावं तो हे वेस्ट रिकवरीची जावं शेका धंदो जावं मोटरसायकल पायलट जावं कसलोय धंदो मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आय सपोर्ट दीस पीपल इट इज इररेलिवेंट 25 years जेन्ना तेमी धंदो केल्लो वेन्झी पॉलिटिक्सान आसोना वेन्झी 3 वर्सां पयलीं आतां पॉलिटिक्सान आसल्या सो जो गोंयकार आज गोंय रावन भायर देशा वचनाचो धंदो करता आमगे शेकां आहाय 10 बेडो 15 बेडो एलावड आहा तेणें 5 बेड एक्स्ट्रा घायले जाल्यार तेगे शेक बंद उडोवपा जायना यू कॅन करेक्ट हिम एट दॅट पॉयंट ऑफ टायम
बट यू एडमिट की दिस देयर इज इल्लीगलिटी हॅपनिंग
हाउ विल आय नो वेदर देयर इज एन इल्लीगलिटी इफ देयर वाज इल्लीगलिटी
वीडियो का जावन कितले दीस जाले यू मस्ट हॅव विजिटेड दॅट प्लेस
25 years a business is running when uncles of nephews were also politicians. Only this illegality is come out in 3 years.
Uncles of nephews. Underline करवा है.
So jenna ingmar कित जालो रुपेश. For the last 3 years from 2022 till now, extortion has stopped. Haftagiri from MLA office is not happening. Before MLAs used to take hafta and MLAs nephews used to go and collect the hafta from various Goans doing business and who used to cross the boundaries of the law. Which is happening. It is not that everything is a straight line. Every state, every country, law hoy sakol asta. At the same time, River Sal is very close to me and very dear to me because I am in the process of doing things what has to be done for the River Sal. Step by step, it's such a big river. Overnight कांय जावपाना. Step by step and government support is required. But जो कोण धंदो करता तो बंद कर म्हणलो तशें करून जाल्यार सगळे धंदे हुंय ना जाल्यार हुंय घुसपावून कायद्या मध्ये कितें ना कितें सारकें ना बंद कर म्हणपाचें गोंयकारां जाल्यार हेच धंदे भायले घेतले कित्याक आयज दिसाक देर आर नॉट टू मेनी गायज हू आर ब्रिंगींग सेग्रिगेटिंग एंड डिस्ट्रिब्युटींग दीज कायंड ऑफ मटेरियल्स आनी दीज मटेरियल्स आर नॉट कमींग फ्रॉम आउटसायड स्टेट हें आमगेले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतले आमगे शेजाऱ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सो माय ओपिनियन इज दीस इज हॅपनिंग बिकॉज देर इज नो प्रॉपर पॉलिसी आनी पॉलिसी मेकींग जर तरी आमकां दिली आमगे सरकार जेन्ना 2027 आमकां एक चान्स दिता लोक within 1 year you will see Goa's garbage management jana that will be solved because these kind of material recovery facilities where segregation and distribution is happening that is going to be in a bigger way processed well, segregated well with proper terms and conditions and we will allow such businesses in a proper manner and yes pollution cannot happen All these things, there is a protocol and there is a local body, no? Who is the local body? Local body is the panchayat. If 25 years, we are saying that 20 to 25 years, if this business is running, that means there has been already 4-5 terms of every panch member who is there in the panchayat who has allowed and who has seen this. So that means there is something of substance. Not only in this business, there is several other businesses. But my whole opinion and my whole appeal to Goa and Goans at large is, गोंयकारांक बंद कर, हें कर, politics कोण गोंयकारांचेर आड येनाका. You can tell Venzi, if you have a issue, if you want to enter politics, if you want to do some politics, Venzi कितें illegal केलां, वेन्झी नांवाचें शेतां आहा तें पुरयलां, वेन्झीन आपल्यागे घरांत तूं वेस्ट कनेक्ट केला सिवेजीकू आनी रिवर सालां सोडटा, वेन्झी आपल्यागेलें शेत कन्वर्ट केलां, वेन्झीन आपल्यागेलें कोणाकूय भायल्या लोकांक कितें दिलां. इट इज अबाउट वेन्झी, न्हू. यू कॅन स्पीक ऑन दॅट, येस, एंड यू कॅन स्पीक ऑन वेन्झी वेन वेन्झी इज इन ऑपोजिशन. सगळे बीजेपीचे कांय चलयना काय, ओनली स्पीक ऑन वेन्झी. बट दीस इज द होल, हें लोकांक कळपाक बरें कित्याक हें जाता हाजी, बिकॉज वी आर फॉलोईंग अ मॉड्यूल ऑफ चेंज. आनी जेन्ना एक चेंज जाता, जायते जाणां हुस्क जाता, कित्याक तेंगेलो डेली अर्निंग जो आहा, ह्या भुरग्यांगेलो जो डेली अर्निंग जो आहा, हो डेली अर्निंग हूंय काय बंद जाल्लो आहा. जेन्ना अंकल आसताले तेन्ना हूंय काय हे भुरगे वचोन अंकला खबर नासतना देखून हफ्तो घेताले आनी हेंचें अर्निंग चलतालें. आज तें अर्निंग बंद जाल्लें आसा. कितें करतले? आज मुगे क्लियर वेन आय वॉज इलेक्टेड एज MLA and today I appeal to all my business owners, all my business doing young entrepreneurs in the Benaulim constituency. जावं पुलिसेक जावं कोणाक असले जे कोण एक्सटॉर्शनिस्ट आहाय, तुमगे बाटां ट्रेसपासिंग करून एनक्रोच करून भितर येताय, इल्लिगली भितर येवन व्हिडिओ काडटाय आनी कितेंय म्हणूं सोदताय की इल्लिगल म्हणून, असल्या तुम भिनाकाय. आय एम देर विथ ऑल माय गोवन्स, ऑल माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स हू आर डुईंग बिजनेस. आय वील सपोर्ट यॉल. कितें रॉंग कोलां आनी रॉंग दिसता जाल्यार आमी ते करेक्टीव मेजर्स घालया आनी तो धंदो इम्प्रुवायज करया. बट डू नॉट गिव मनी, do not fall into this kind of practices where somebody tries to take a video and then does an extortion from you, because we do not want extortions. And amge गोंयकारां भुरग्यांक धंदो करपाक I will always support.
देव बरें करूं. दिस इज वन इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग की जर तुमकां कोण एक्सटॉर्शन एक्चुअली करपाक आयला, आय एम नॉट स्पीकिंग अबाउट एनी वन और एनी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, ऑल ओवर गोवा, कायंडली गो टू दी रायट ऑथॉरिटी सो दॅट पयशे दिवपाक पडपाना आनी पयलीं मागीर इलिगल करनाका, सो दॅट नो वन वूड इवन कम एंड start questioning you. As far as alliance is concerned, India Alliance, they are saying India Alliance जावपाकूच जाय. आनी वेन्झीची एक खास ऑफर आसा, तो म्हणटा जाय जाल्यार बाणावली जर तुमकां दिसता हांगा प्रॉब्लम आसा, हांगा तुमी सगळे जाण उबे रावया. बट बाकीच्या 39 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी तरी अलायन्स जावपा जाय. आनी GTDCचे प्रॉपर्टी ते म्हणटा की जे पे पार्किंगाचे आसा, देर इज opposition to that, because everyone should be eligible or allowed to use that pay parking lot. देव बरें करूं वेन्झी बाब. तुम पळयतात हब एनकाउंटर ऑन युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट www.goanewsup.com. आनी परत वचचे पयलीं याद करता हांव, तुमी ज्या ज्या प्लॅटफॉर्मार आमकां पळयता थंय सबस्क्रायब करा, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट अ टेलिविजन चॅनल दॅट यू वील फायंड अस ऑन TV. यू वील ऑलवेज फायंड अस हियर, एंड मोर द सबस्क्रायबर्स वी वील गेट मोर रिकमेंडेशन्स एंड मोर स्ट्रेंथ, and we will be able to put out more such videos. पळयत रावात.